Magic Vlogs. It's Carnival Magic Vlogs.
Carnival Magic Vlogs.
It's Carnival Magic Vlogs. Hey everybody, today is September 21st, 2018, and in case nobody told you, today is the first day of the Carnival Magic Vlogs. We are in Chattanooga, but we're flying out to Orlando today, and we're getting on the Carnival Magic tomorrow. Are you excited?
Super excited.
You seem super excited right now.
I am. I need a break.
Are you like working or something?
I am working.
We're super excited, just finished packing up, and we're going to head out. Let's go, come on, get off work.
I need another 3 hours.
No, we don't have that.
I'm just telling you what I need.
The plane will not wait.
Can you call it and tell it to wait and we can Uber a plane?
No. Alright, so our flight leaves at 5:59. It's 4:05. It takes about 20 minutes to get to the airport. It's a small airport, so the like 2-hour rule doesn't really apply. You know, you can get there about an hour before and have plenty of time, so hopefully. So yeah, we're packed up, everything's in the car, and ready to head out, so let's go to the airport.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
She's a criminal, they had to double check her bag. Criminal.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
So it's leg one down. We went from Chattanooga to Atlanta. Now we're here in Atlanta. We got like an hour and a half layover. 30 minutes of that was walking from the other gate to here. So we got about an hour left. And then next stop Atlanta. So, no. So next stop Orlando. Excited?
Very.
Big little screen there to watch something on. We gonna watch a TV show?
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna watch A Quiet Place.
A Quiet Place. You already seen it.
But I want you to watch it.
I'm not watching
Well,
it.
you can osmosis it. He's afraid of scary movies. And
Yes.
it's not that scary.
Very afraid of scary movies. Slightly less busy than Atlanta, huh? We made it to Orlando. So now we gotta go catch our ride, our trolley ride to the hotel. A little shuttle. Yeah, it's a shuttle. You know, complimentary.
Right.
Strangers that we don't know
Not at all.
coming to get us in a bus. So yeah, we gotta go catch our ride.
Out of the whole thing, this is the part that makes me nervous.
Why does it make you nervous?
Because I'm always afraid that all the bags are going to come out and then it's going to stop and then mine's not there.
Your bag will be there.
Now you jinxed it.
Now you did it. Alright, there's mine. See you later.
Sorry.
Bye. Oh, she threw it at me. Ugh. All right.
No, no.
Got mine. Bye. I'm not gonna leave her. Or am I?
Yes.
Oh.
So really.
We don't get to wait for it.
Ooh,
It's coming.
I'm telling you. My
You're
heart
really
is
scared about it?
Yes, because I didn't pack in my carry-on this time because we packed in 10 minutes before we left.
That's not.
All my favorite
That's not an
clothes are in there.
exaggeration.
Mine's a lot heavier than yours.
Yeah, yours is overweight. Look, you have a fat bag.
That's not nice to say to a pregnant lady.
Fat bag.
My clothes are bigger now.
It has nothing to do with the size of your clothes. You tired yet?
I'm so tired.
Tired of what?
Your face. No, I'm just tired.
10.
Running
Oh no, we're stuck on the elevator again.
I will just take a nap. Wait, I'll be fine.
We went to Las Vegas. We played Stuck on the Elevator.
I saw it.
Remember?
It was a fun game.
We're stuck on the elevator. Oh no! Let us in. It let us in. 4 of 5.
One key doesn't work.
Alright. First thing you gotta do when you go into a hotel is turn the air conditioning down as low as it will go. If you can get into the 30s, that's probably the best. That's optimal, is to turn the air conditioning down into the 30s. And then go to bed and we get to go on a cruise tomorrow.
Yay!
Alright, so we're in the hotel. We had a good day of travel. Even after a crazy day of packing. Because Hillacy had to work most of the day, so she didn't get her packing done.
I didn't, no.
But she got a little birthday surprise. Our airline tickets are first class. So, have you ever flown first class before?
No.
Neither.
No, and I loved it.
Yep. So we had a nice comfy ride to Orlando. My mom and Eddie picked us up, and now we're at the hotel, get some sleep, and we can go get on the ship tomorrow.
Yay!
So, did you have a good day?
Yes, I had a great day, but I'm tired.
All right, go to sleep.
Okay.
Oh.
You didn't even have to click. That's how tired I am.